What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title already, I'll be showing you guys how to bar lace your Vans old school. I know the Vans old school can be a very boring sneaker, especially if you have like a collection, or even if it's like your everyday wear or something. It can be really boring. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to bar lace your sneakers so that way it looks more interesting and you can enjoy the sneaker a little bit more, because honestly the Vans old school is a historical sneaker. It has a bunch of history behind it, the ups and downs and everything like that. So let's get right into it, guys. So first up, what you want to do is get your first bar, and guys, the rest of the video is basically self-explanatory. You can watch what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I am getting my other bars in to level up with the first bar. I am skipping the second hole and I am going to the third one. And what you want to do, guys, is as long as you get in your first 3 bars, which you'll see up right now. Let's wait for it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm trying to get the middle bar right now. It's kind of confusing at first, but keep looking at it and you'll see how I did my third bar. And as long as you get the third bar in, just replicate the process until you get to the top, and then you can decide whether you wanna keep it as a bar on top or you can give it a tie. I prefer mine to be our bars up to the top. So what I did is I put the extra laces inside of the sneaker underneath my sole, or sometimes I place it underneath my feet. Alright guys, so there you go. As you can see, I have my third bar in, and basically what you want to do, like I said, replicate the process and you'll have a nicely put together Vans old school sneaker, and you'll look different from most of your peers. Alright guys, so if this video leave any value to you, definitely consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers and let's grow from there, guys. Join the family and get into it, because I'll be releasing more videos like this on maybe a daily basis or weekly basis. It depends. So definitely consider subscribing, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. All of that good stuff. Comment something down below, let me know if you guys like this type of video, and thanks for watching. Peace out, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video.